Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to talk about Alltrue today. This is my Fall Alltrue box. It's been a while since we ordered it. In all fairness, I have had this for about a week and a half. Because we were into the spoilers, I didn't come up and tape it, but it came much more quickly this season for me. I know that there are a lot of you who've been telling me that you haven't received your Alltrue yet, but so this is my Alltrue box. Let's get in it and check it out. I will let you know here when I did my customization and the day the tracking says that this arrived. So it'll give you a better idea of where I stood. Last month, it was right over 3 months, I think, that it took to get to me. It was not that this month. This is the fall box. If you pay seasonally, it is $54.95. If you pay for a year in advance, it is $49.95. It used to be Causebox. It is now Alltrue. I'm working really hard to call it Alltrue. And they have said they are going to get better at all of their shipping. Like I said, mine came more quickly this time, but it couldn't have come any slower than it did last time. And we will hope the overall shipping improves really soon because I would really like to see them succeed. I have always really enjoyed the box. This feels like it has maybe been opened. That would have happened in shipping. When we open it up, this is what it looks like on the inside. It says Alltrue. We have our paperwork and our postcard. That is what the inside looks like. It does, see how it looks kind of ruffled, like, it looks like it's been into. I'm gonna dig in and see what I chose. It's been quite some time. I feel like I remember a lot. Like I see my heated mug kit right on top and I do remember picking that. This is our artwork postcard for fall, and it is actually a postcard that you could use and send. A lot of people frame them. I think I just put them back in the box and I use my boxes over here. We've been talking a lot lately about storage, and I have my boxes on the side that I do a lot of my storage in, and I keep these in my Alltrue boxes so that I know if ever I want them, right where they are. We have a Guide to Fall pamphlet and an All Good Things magazine. Let's see what this is all about. The Guide to Fall pamphlet seems to be the paperwork. I think they did this last season. Now that I'm doing this, it seems familiar. This seems to be the paperwork of what is in the box. Yes, these were all of the options that we had that we could have chosen for the box. That is the front. And that is the back, so that will tell us all of our options and a little bit about each of the items. The book is the fall edition. If you do not subscribe to this magazine, they said that the ones that we got in our box was a smaller version of the one that you could subscribe to, but it was like $7.95, which that seemed pricey to me. If you get Alltrue, let me know if you got the magazine last season, because I think last season was the first season that they did it and if it was worthwhile. Let's get into the products. In customization 1, we had a choice of an Earth Harbor Seize the Day Luxury Skincare Bundle, and it was 3 Earth Harbor products. The Henny and Lev Vegan 2-in-1 Everyday Tote, the Small Hours Set of 5 Stackable Pantry Containers, and the Tease Smart Heated Mug. And as I said a minute ago, I could see this right on top, so I knew that my selection was in here, and I chose the Tease Smart Heated Mug. And I have to tell you, after spending an entire summer up here of telling you guys, oh my goodness, I'm so hot. It is so cold in this room today. I wish I had this plugged in with some nice hot tea in it. That is what the box looks like. It looks like it's maybe gonna slide out right from the top. Is that true? It is. It just slides out like a drawer. And this is what is on the inside. So I have my mug and the lid and the electronic part. So the theory is you have to use this mug with it, as I recall when I did the spoilers on this, because this mug, there's something about the bottom, I don't know what it is, that activates the little heated pad. Uh-oh. Well, mine is torn up and it's broken. Yeah, this is, you can see that it was supposed to be settled on here. Let me know if you got it. Was yours like it too? Should I just glue it back together? This was probably the most expensive product in my box. So let me know if you had a problem with it too. But you just plug this in and it sits right on there and it keeps your tea hot while you drink it. You can have the lid on it. It has, the lid has the little place for the spoon, which I believe came in here. Did. Oh, it's so cute. Came with a cute little, I'm sure not brass, but brass colored stirring spoon. So you can stir your tea, and if you want to, you can leave your little spoon in there. So it is super cute. What I have to work out though is if I can fix this. I'm a little nervous since all of its components have been exposed. So we will see. I'm just going to set this part of it back here so that we'll remember it's in there. I'm not going to get involved in the part that's broken. And the paperwork said about this: keep your coffee or tea comfortingly warm even when you're stuck in back-to-back Zoom meetings. To use the tea's smart heated mug, plug the mug warmer in and rest it on a level surface, then set your ceramic mug in the center of the base. The heating will automatically turn on when you set the mug down and shut off when you pick it up. So I love the idea of this. I just hope that it works. In customization 2, our choices were a Botanica speckled ceramic candle, an Accompany jute welcome mat, or a Serene House ion fan diffuser and Inspire essential oil, which is the one that I chose. This is what it looks like in the box. And it says that it is an essential oil diffuser you can take with you. Oh, that's why I got it. The Serene House Ion Fan Diffuser is water-free and small enough to fit in your car's cup holder. We worked with Serene House to reduce the amount of packaging required for this product, so you will find all 8 paper pads together inside one plastic cartridge. Each paper pad is good for 10 to 15 uses, depending on how much oil you use. Formulated to help you find your creative spark, the Inspire Essential Oil Blend combines 6 vibrant scents: lemon, blood orange, orange, lime, geranium, and eucalyptus. All right, well, let's take this out, make sure it's shipshape. But that's why I was like, I got another diffuser because I have several in my house, but I chose it because I thought, oh, I would like to have that in my car. I just went diving in the box because I could see, I thought this was going to be in with the diffuser and it wasn't. So that is what the essential oils look like. And when we take it out, it's so cute. That will work so well. It will fit nicely, I would think, in a car holder. And here, these are all 8 of our little pads. So I don't know how it works. We're gonna have to read about how it works, but I suspect you just put one in here. I don't know if you put it in the cartridge. Well, just for the record, it said we would have 8 pads. I actually had 5 in this cartridge thing, and there were 2 up on top of my box. So I ended up with 7 pads. I'm not looking to complain about everything in this box, but they do seem to be having some quality assurance issues. 7 pads is fine. They feel, honestly, they feel just like they're cardboard. See how it looks like cardboard? I suspect if you ran out, you could cut little cardboard pieces, and I mean, it feels just like cardboard. And then you can just, you plug this into a USB and this into this, and this works fine because I always have one in my car for charging my phone. So I love the idea of this. Let's see what this oil smells like. It should smell like citrus based on what it said. Oh, very citrusy. Oh, that's lovely. I like that a lot. You can, it's just a burst of citrus. I don't smell the eucalyptus, perhaps when it diffuses, but yeah, that is, yep, this is going directly to my car. I just turned the page and found that in customization 1, you also could have chosen the Listen Sound Company Wonderlust portable speaker. In customization 3, and just for the record with Alltrue, if you are an annual member, you customize the entire box. If you are a seasonal member, you didn't used to get to customize anything, but some people said that with the fall box, they let them make, I think, 1 customization choice. Let me know down below if you are a seasonal what you got to customize. I think somebody said that they actually got a choice this season. In customization 3, you could have received an Each Jewels layering necklace set, an Alouette winkable lift and lengthen vegan mascara, or a set of 2 knotted headbands. I actually went with the headbands. I wish I had remembered this. I would have dressed to match one of these. I feel like my hair has gotten so long and so crazy that I just feel like I would always like it back in a headband, and I thought these looked so cute for fall. It says they are a playful, vintage-inspired accessory featuring a mini floral print with a recycled fabric blend. These headbands bring a note of sweet retro rock and roll to any look. Fit tested across a range of hair types and head shapes. We found this sizing works for most. The padding behind the ears helps reduce that headband headache. They are super cute. I didn't realize they were going to be silky. They feel really nice. They are really, really cute. I'm actually pretty happy with these. We got the one in FabFitFun, I think last Christmas. Man, I wish I could remember. Lily Sadohi. The red velvet one that was so cute at Christmas time that I was like, I am all about the headbands now. I think the little knotted ones are so cute. And like I said, I thought these were going to be a cottony fabric. I don't know if the sheen of that is showing, but they are so cute. I don't know if I want to mess my hair up or not, but I feel like we should know how they fit. right? It fits nice. It feels snug, but I don't feel like I'm gonna get a headache, which says something because we joke about our family head all of the time. We call it a wash tub head. And that is so cute. And it fits so well. I feel like it's gonna stay on. I love this. I don't think I'm gonna leave it on because it does not match my shirt very well, but you got two of them. You got this blue one. Now that I've messed up my hair, I might as well show you the yellow one too. And the yellow, oh, I like that a lot. The yellow one, they're cute, right? Am I too old for them? Even if I am, on days when I'm just around the house to keep all of this out of my face, I love these. Super happy with this choice. And they are part of the Headbands of Hope. That's the tag that came on them. In customization 4, you could have received the Grown Alchemist Hydro Repair Day Cream, the Molly Suds Natural Wool Dryer Balls set of 3, which I almost got, but because I do use them, but I picked the ones up at Trader Joe's. If you guys have a local Trader Joe's, you can get a pack of 4 for $5.95. They are so nice. I chose the Kitchen Innovations Perfect Measure Silicone and Beechwood Measuring Spoon Set. And this came out of the plastic very easily. The Beechwood is the big one, and the other 4 are silicone. That is what they look like. I hope the colors are coming through. They're kind of a sage and a blue and a gray and a cream. And then the Beechwood is the tablespoon, I imagine. Let me double check. The little ones are 1/8, 1/4, 1/2, and 1 teaspoon, and this one is a tablespoon. Yes, a tablespoon. I like these. We will see the insides. They've made more slick, so hopefully they work well. This is super cute. I probably won't use it for wet things. I probably only use it for dry things, but I love kitchen-y things. I love home goods type things. So when I was given the option, I chose it. And this is from KI Kitchen Innovations. A teaspoon of that messy, delicious kitchen happiness, we've got you covered. These measuring spoons by Kitchen Innovations have been a past favorite from our seasonal add-on market. So we decided to share them in the box. Made with silicone and with beechwood, this set is flexible, odorless, and contains no fillers or byproducts. It's a safer, non-stick alternative to your classic plastic goods, reinforced with a steel core for durability. The silicone measuring spoons are heat resistant to 482 degrees. And I only see one item for product number 5. It must be something we all got, and it is the Huna Skin Nutrition Balm, and it's vegan, and it's in Nourish. That is what it looks like. And it says made with nourishing natural ingredients like organic mango butter, pomegranate, avocado, carrot, broccoli, and chia seed oil. This nourishing balm soothes dry, damaged, dehydrated skin and protects healthy skin from the elements. Looking at you, cracked cold weather lips. A non-comedogenic formula. Try it as a night treatment for dry areas such as elbows, knees, ankles, or feet. And it is fully vegan. That is really cool. I thought it was going to be a face thing. I didn't realize it was going to be a body thing. Doesn't have much of a scent, and it seems like it's probably going to be very hard. Well, I'm not going to put my fingers in it. I'm going to close it right back up because I can't read the ingredients. They're just too small. Let's just put our cards on the table. But I love the idea for the winter of a little balm to hit my drier parts at nighttime. I like that. So this could be a really nice product. Last but not least, we have customization 6, and you could have received the Mint Biology Seaweed Collagen Gold Eye Masks or the Bemakai Manta Hair Towel Wrap. I got the hair towel wrap. It is, oh my goodness. This is so soft. I mean, she plushy. Very, very soft. It says this hair towel is made with 40% bamboo and 60% recycled polyester. And the button is made from coconut. Wear around the house as you get ready. This sleek design makes it easier to wear than your shower towel, and its extra absorbent material gives you quicker drying hair with less breakage, check, and a smooth finish. Well, let's go ahead and I'll take this out. I'm sure I can just roll it back up and get it back in there, right? It is so, I mean, you want a blanket of this. It is so soft and thick. That is what it looks like. So you will just tie it up. There is the coconut button. I hope that shows. And yeah, the inside is just plush, just like the outside. I like this a lot. This seems really, really soft. I will be definitely trying this. I do have to blow dry more in the winter than I do in the summer because my hair despite how thin it is, it stays really wet for a very long time. Oh my goodness, guys. I mean, basically, I got it back in there. That is what that looks like though, just for the record. Okay, very cool. That is my Alltrue box for fall 2021. It took a little bit of time to get here, not nearly as long as it took in the summer. We have our guide to our products. This is what we received. I got that tease cup, which I will probably have to let them know because I'm a little worried about having the electronics on the inside exposed. That makes me a little nervous. The diffuser for my car, fantastic. This balm, if I can wear it, sounds fantastic, especially the last couple of days. It's gotten so cold and now we're already like into needing balms. The teaspoons I will use, the headbands I will love, the hair towel I will like. So it is a box full of things that I will use. So it was absolutely worth it for me this season. Let me know what you think. Before I can heartily recommend them, I'm really gonna need them still to pick up the speed on the shipping just a little bit. But if you have any interest, I will put my link below. Just know, this is my fair warning, fair Kathrin warning. It could take a very long time to get to you. Luckily, most of these products, they're not winter. You could use them if they didn't come until, January, you'd be fine. But I just want you guys to know their shipping is usually no bueno. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day. Bye, guys.